In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to copy any AI video. So the video that we're going to copy is this one. So to copy this video, we have to take, first of all, a screenshot of the video at the beginning. And after that, we have to go to Novoads AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we have to click in the image section. Now we have to upload the image that we took in the screenshot. So let's upload it. And now we are going to use the following prompt. Now we have to click here where it says settings, and we are going to change the images to only one image. Now we have to click here, and now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. We have removed the watermarks of TikTok. As you can see, the play button that was in the screenshot now has been removed, and the other things that you can see here. And now that we have this image, we have to download it, and now we have to go to the video section. Now we have to click here, and we have to upload the image that we had downloaded. So now let's click here. And now to copy the video, we just have to see the video and describe it. So now I'm going to see the video and create the prompt. So here we can see that the workers are working, and a hand with a bottle throws some water. So these are some things that we have to write in the prompt. After that, well, the hands do this, and the water gets clean. And finally, the workers claps to the hand. So the prompt that I created to describe this video is this one that you can rate because it's going to be in the comments. And now we have to go to settings, and in settings, be sure that the model is Seance 2. The duration, I'm going to choose 15 seconds. And very important, as the video is vertical, I'm going to use 9:16 in aspect ratio. Now we have to click here, and now in generate. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 5 minutes. Perfect. Here is the video, so let's see it. Well, I don't know what you think, but the video is very similar. Obviously, it's not the same video, but more or less, we create a very good copy of the original video. So if you want to try Novoads AI, you can do it today for just $1 and do a video like this one, or you can just copy another video. And well, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section or write us via WhatsApp. So after saying that, see you in the next video.